Hello traders. Welcome to TradeTheBear.com. This is Stacy, and this is our weekly update. Just wanted to take some time and talk to you about what's happening in the markets this week and some of the things that we were able to do as a result. So, we're doing this small account. So let's go look over here at the XLF, which is our primary tool that we're trading right now. So here we go. Okay, so XLF. All right, so XLF, you can see over here we had a, a nice little, this is our weekly chart, and we had a nice little move off the bottom here. So obviously a bottom is forming. I had a nice little move today, this week, where we pulled back. This is our daily chart, you can see right here, where we pulled back to almost a 20-period moving average, but not quite. Something I've been doing lately that I've just been having a little fun with is this Fibonacci tool. So if you take here to here, well, no, that's not right. Yeah, close enough. So take there to there. You can see we did 100% of this move, and then we pulled back off of it. And the area that we went to was the 60. We almost made it to the 38.2, and then pulled back off. So we'll see what happens as we go this week. I'm still seeing this area as a level to watch out for. We did fill that gap, had a little doji pattern here, and then we came off. So what I've done as far as that trade goes is you can see over here that this is the trade that we have set up. So what I've done is I've bought a call May 15th. I've bought a put May 15th also. So I have 26 days left till expiration. And then I sold the next week's Friday expiration to this. And this is about this is about the results that we've been getting lately. So let's go look at our results. I took a little bit of a hit this week because I had made the move to get in last week and waited till Monday to get in, but what I should have done is just waited till Friday to get that started. So okay, whoop, what's this? All right, let's go to Trade the Bear, visit site, and look at our trading results here, which I posted just recently. So 72% increase. So we dropped down just a little bit. You can see here in the graph. If you go to TradeTheBear.com 2020 small account results, you'll be able to see this. I update this weekly. Also, if you would like, you can go down and look at the trades that we've put on. I'm going to be recording this for the whole year, and we'll see how it goes. I think it's going to make us a little bit of money. So, so there's our results. Please take some time to subscribe to not only the YouTube channel, but also to TradeTheBear.com, and you'll be able to get emails sent to you directly with these video updates, and be able to learn as we go along. I'm also building a free library of different types of option trades, how basic options work. That's the last video that I did. I will be doing a video about this calendar, diagonal, whatever you call this trade that I like to do. And so I'll be putting that together a little bit to kind of give you an idea. And also we'll get into some technical analysis that we use to make these trades. So real quick, let's go and look at the different ETFs. So regional banks beat me up a little bit in my other account. Again, I got in right in here on Monday, and then it pulled back, and I'm back in on Friday for this to go back up. So KRE, we basically have that same type of trade on. And the Qs, I'm not trading the Qs right now. They're just very expensive. Wish I was, because this little move is happening pretty well. You can see from the Fibonacci tool that we've already retraced. On this one, we've retraced what, 61.8, almost 70%, maybe even 70% of the move. So we're only down 30% from the top here on this trade. So it's going to be interesting as it deals with this area right here. This was the first move down, back up, then down hard. So it's coming into this area. We'll have to see how it deals with it. The other thing that happened this week is we moved above the moving averages, the 50, the 200, 100, and the 200. So all of that has some significance as we look at these markets. And then let's go look at the SPY. Kind of the same thing, not quite as dramatic of a push on the SPY as we're seeing here. We haven't made it to the 61.8 yet. So you're probably going to see the 78.6 get taken out. You'll notice the moving average here. I believe that's the 50 moving average. So it's dealing with the 50 moving average right now. We're always looking for levels in the market to see where people are going to take action to reverse the direction. And then let's go look at home builders. Nice little home builders, got a nice little move on the weekly, a little pullback, check mark kind of thing here, and possibly going up. Then we look at the XLE. XLE, I made a little money on Friday with this one. I was in somewhere in here, and look at the close. Look at the close on this. This is pretty interesting. This was at the end of the day. I think I was messing around right in here, and then it just made a move up really strong at the end of the day. So we'll see what happens with that as it progresses. And then XLF we already looked at. So let's go look at our other indices. Let's see what bonds are doing. Again, I'm not doing much with bonds. I have some friends who trade the bonds pretty regularly, and it's kind of tightening up. This is coiling. You can see a little bit of a strong here, and then you're forming a little bit of a triangle. The oil, oh my goodness, oil's down, and it's not getting any better, unfortunately, for those boys in Texas. So hopefully we can see this start to move back up. I sure like the gas prices when I go to the pump, though. And let's look at gold. Gold, last time I checked, it was moving. Oh, here you go. It's a little bit of a pullback. Well, let's play with our tool a little bit and just see what we can glean from this. So that's our down. There's our move. So the 78.6 is where it moved off of, and pulling back, probably going to pull back into here. Let's do one other thing. Move that, and I'm going back and reading a book on Elliott Wave, so that's where some of this is coming from, and why I'm looking at it. Okay, you can see 38.2 got taken. So I had to create a clip in the middle here, but we were talking about gold and how this pullback looks like. If you look at this move, we're probably looking at the 61.8 before we can make a move off. We'll see how it goes. Sometimes a 50, even though it's not a fib level, will get honored as well. And if you look at the last move where they turned, there it is, 50%. So the 50%, often gets tagged when they're doing that, even though it's not a fib level. So but basically we have support probably in this area right here on gold. Let's see, what are we missing? Oh yeah, we're missing the dollar. Let's go look at the dollar. So the dollar is kind of behaving a little bit maybe like the bonds. I mean, kind of going sideways, made a peak up here, just kind of moving around this 99.70, 100, right at the 100 area. Looks like a pretty strong pivot point. You got moving averages down here that are strong. So, so that's pretty much it. Let's go just one more look at the ES. Yeah, the news on Gilead coming out, the way that the market responded to it was pretty incredible. One other thing I wanted to talk to you about is the average true range. I'll trade futures when the average true range gets above this 30 line here. And you can see back in January, we started moving our way up. And then when we made this huge move, but look where we're at, we're 131. If we were to take this back in time, and let's just go 5 years, you'll see that it's not very often that we get above the 30 area. So pretty amazing movements intraday right now on the S&P 500. So watch for that. So please subscribe down below. I'm going to be doing more and more with these videos as I learn how to do the videos, as well as do some training and do some education about how to do the various options. You're going to get a lot of content with being a free member, and of course the tools that we're using to increase the small account. We're going to be bringing that in slowly, and we'll have a separate membership for that. So please subscribe, and I'll be happy to send you the free training videos. And again, thanks for watching and taking the time to look at this weekly update from TradeTheBear.com.